Hi, I'm Adam and welcome to Caterlink. Did you know that 70% of cleaning is still done manually? That seems crazy with our high cost of labour and current staff shortages. Today I'd like to show you a couple of great features from the new Imop XL. Conventional mops are labour intensive and leave wet, slippery floors. Regular mops remove typically only 30% of grime, while bulky machines cannot do tight spaces. i-mop have taken all of the components of an industrial scrubber and dryer, but stacked them vertically. The i-mop can clean up to 10 times faster than a traditional spaghetti mop, while leaving the floor cleaner and drier. The Imop XL can clean up to 1,000 square meters per hour. Unlike a traditional mop, the Imop always puts down clean water. Dirty water is recovered with advanced suction technology into an easily removable tank. You'd be amazed at how much grime the Imop will pick up. The Imop can clean around people without leaving floors wet, giving the operator total visibility and control even in occupied spaces. You can clean underneath tables, service areas, washrooms, sinks, and even turn 360 degrees on the spot. There is a water-saving mode and a battery life indicator. 2 lithium batteries provide 1 hour runtime. With the recharger, you can recharge the batteries in just over an hour. The clean and recovery tanks are easy to detach and refill virtually anywhere, not just in the cleaner sink. The Imop is easy to carry at only 22.5 kilos. With its convenient wheels, it's easy to transport between different areas, levels, and buildings even without elevators. Imop is not only greener than other scrubbers, using up to 75% less water, it has almost double the scrubbing power to its brushes. The Imop is not just designed for cleaning, it's designed for the cleaner. Come see this amazing kitchen helper at Caterlink today. Hope to see you soon.